Hello students, welcome to online lecture of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 4, subject Maths, topic Geometrical Figures, Part 1. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Geometrical Figures. We are going to study this chapter in 3 parts. In part 1, we will study about angle and types of angles. In part 2, we will study about shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and its properties. In part 3, we will study about circle and its properties. In today's lecture, we will study the part 1, that is angle and types of angles. So let us start. Angle. Now what is angle, children? When the two lines meet at a point, they make an angle. Let me show you. Here the two lines are meeting each other at a point. The space between the two lines which are meeting at a point makes an angle. This red color arc is called as angle. Children, these two lines which are making an angle are called as arms of the angle, and the point where these two lines are meeting is called as vertex. Let us see in our surrounding where else we can see angles. Here in this picture we can see the angles between the ground and the slide. In this picture, the ladder makes angles with the ground. In this picture, we can see angles between the tree trunk and its branches. In this picture, we can see angles between the electric pole and the ground. Now we will study about the types of angles. Children, there are 3 types of angles: right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. One by one I will explain you the types of angles. First we will study about right angle. Now what is right angle? When the two lines meet each other and form a square at the angle, then that angle is called a right angle. Children, let me explain you with the help of example. In this clock, the time 3 o'clock shows that the minute hand and the hour hand are making a right angle. Let us closely observe the angle made by the minute hand and the hour hand. Children, this red color square shows us that the angle between both the hand is a right angle. Now we will learn about acute angle. Now what is acute angle? The angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Children, in this clock, the time 5 minutes past 3 shows that the minute hand and the hour hand are making an acute angle. Let us closely observe the angle made by the minute hand and the hour hand. Children, this red color arc shows us that the angle between both the hand is smaller than a right angle. So, the angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Now we will learn about obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? The angle which is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Children, in this clock, the time 55 minutes past 3 shows that the minute hand and the hour hand are making an obtuse angle. Let us clearly observe the angle made by minute hand and the hour hand. Children, this red color arc shows us that the angle between both the hand is bigger than a right angle. So, the angle which is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Children, let us do some exercise. In this exercise, you have to identify the type of angle. So, let us start. Children, which type of angle is this? Yes, as the angle between both the lines is smaller than a right angle, so this is an acute angle. Next, children, which type of angle is this? Yes, this yellow color square shows that the angle between both the lines is a right angle. Next, children, which type of angle is this? Yes, as the angle between both the lines is bigger than a right angle, so this is an obtuse angle. Children, which type of angle is this? Yes, as the angle between both the lines is smaller than a right angle, so this is an acute angle. So today we have learned angle and types of angles.